some questions on SMS language in your scholarship exam. The question is coming like that on SMS language. Okay. So every time I told you, when you solve any questions, you read at least 2 times. Okay. So if you read 2 times, first time you read all the questions, you recognize the proper meaning of the questions, and then second time you try to solve it. So you easily solve all the questions. So first I will read all the questions. You listen carefully and look on the board. So first question here. What is the full form of SMS? Second number, if someone wish you good morning, what's your reply? Third one, what is full form of TC? Then fourth one, what is the expanded form of HAND? Okay. Now fifth number, which of the incorrect pair of word from the option? Then sixth number, which of the following words are odd man out? Now seven number, which of the correct pair of word from the option? Then eight number, if bro, brother, then sis, ... Now nine number, what is the full form of NC? And last 10 number, what is the short form of call me? Okay, so these are the questions on SMS language. In your scholarship exam, the question is coming like that. Okay, so second time we will try to solve it. Everyone look proper and listen what I am telling to you. So first, what is the full form of SMS? SMS चा full form काय आहे? So option number 1, short message serve. Second number, short minute service. Then third number, short message service. And last one is short message short. So which is the full form of SMS here? So short message service is no. Then short minute service, no. Then short message service, it is a right here. Because yes for short, M for message, yes for service. So short message service is the full form of SMS. Understood? Now second number, if someone wish you good morning, what's your reply? So if someone tell him, yes, wish you good morning, so what is your reply? जर कोणी तुम्हाला सकाळी गुड मॉर्निंग म्हटलं तर तुमचं प्रत्युत्तर, तुमचं रिप्लाय काय येऊ शकेल तिथं? ऑप्शन नंबर 1, गुड डे. ऑप्शन नंबर 2, गुड नून. ऑप्शन नंबर 3, गुड नाईट. And last one is good morning too. So what's your reply for good morning? So option number 4, good morning too. म्हणजे तुम्हाला सुद्धा good morning. Okay. Now third number, what is the full form of TC? So TC या शब्दाचा full form काय येऊ शकेल? Option number 1, ticket checker. Option number 2, take care. Option number 3, take chips. And last one is take coffee. So which is the full form of TC here? So ticket checker, no. Take care, yes. So in SMS language, the TC's full form is take care, not ticket checker, take chips, take coffee. Okay, in SMS language. Okay, now fourth number, what is the expanded for HAND? So what is the expanded? Expanded means it is a full form here. So HAND full form is have a good day. Then second number, have a great day. Then third one is have a nice day. And last one is have a nothing day. So which is the full form of HAND? So first, have a good day. Have a good day is no here. So have a great day. Have a great day. It's also not here. Have a nice day is correct here. Like that. First H is there, so H for have. Then A for a. Then N for nice. And D for day. Like that. Here also like that, but it is wrong here. So option number 3 is correct. HAND is full form is have a nice day. Then fifth number, which of the incorrect pairs of word from the option? Incorrect म्हणजे चुकीची जोडी आपल्याला आता शोधायची. Number 1, today, today. Second number, tomorrow, tomorrow. Then see you. Then FB, football. So which is the incorrect pair here? The first, today, today. It is a correct here. It is a short form. It is a full form. Today, today. Then tomorrow, tomorrow. It is also correct here. Tomorrow is a short form. Tomorrow is a full form. Then CU. CU. It's also correct here. And then FB. There is a football. So FB is not a football. FB means Facebook. FB means Facebook. So it is the incorrect. Yes. Option number 4. Now 6 number. Which of the following words are odd manner? म्हणजे खालीलपैकी कुठला शब्द गटामध्ये बसत नाही. So first number, 1 number BRO bro, second number SIS6, नंतर 3 number CU and last one is BO bo. Okay, so BRO bro, it is a short form of brother. Then sis, it is a sis for sister. CU for call you, and BO, it is a not here like that. So it is not a SMS language here, BO. So it is a bro for brother, sis for sister, CU for call you, and there is a BO is nothing here. So it is a old man out here. Now 7th number, which of the correct pair of word from the options? Sometimes they are asking like that, correct pair. Sometimes they are asking incorrect pair. So here they are asking which of the correct pairs of the word from the option. जे चुकीची जोडी आहे ते आपल्याला शोधायची नाही. इथं आपल्याला शोधायची कुठली जोडी, जे करेक्ट जोडी आहे ती आपल्याला शोधायची. सो फर्स्ट B4, there is a bone for. Then second number GR8, grapes 8. Then CUL, see you later. Then GBU, great ball use. So which is the correct pairs here? B4, it is bone for, it is a wrong here. Then GR8, here is a grapes 8, it's also wrong here. Then CUL, see you later. So it is a correct pairs because C for C, U for U, L for later. So see you later. It is a correct here because here is a B4. It is a B4 is there. Here is a great is there, and here is a God bless you. Is it correct? But they given wrong here. So it is 1, 2, 4 are wrong. Only one is correct. CUL means see you later. Now 8 number, if bro brother, then SIS6 dot dot. जर ब्रोचं ब्रदर होऊ शकतं तर सिसचं काय होऊ शकेल? ओके, so option number 1 sister, option number 2 season, number 3 service, and last one is section. So which is the correct? Sis, 1 number sister. So sis for sister and bro for brother. Now 9 number, what is the full form of NC? NC चा full form काय आहे? So 1 number not come, second number no comments, third number no point, and last one is not cheap. So which is the correct? Not come is wrong here, no comments. So option number 2, no comments. So NC's full form is no comments in your SMS language. Then 10 number, what is the short form of call me? So if you call me is a full form, so what is the short form of call me? Call me चा short form आपल्याला आता शोधायचं. 1 number CL, second number CE, third number CM, and last one is CA. So what is the short form of call me? So call me for CM, not a chief minister. In SMS language, CM is call me. So these are the questions on SMS language. If you learn all the short form, all the full form of SMS language, you easily solve all the question based on SMS language. Thank you very much. Hello my dear students. Last lectures we learn SMS language. Now we will going to learn one word substitution. It is very important part for your exam and your daily life. Before we going to learn one word substitutions, I will tell you something about this topic. So first, what is mean by one word substitution? So in English we can say a sentence to be replaced with a single word. Okay, so in Marathi we can say one word substitution means दिलेल्या माहितीऐवजी एका शब्दाचा वापर करणे. Okay, so on the board I given some one word substitution. I will tell you what is a full sentence and we replace the whole sentence in a one word. Okay, so on the board I given some one word substitutions. I will read all the sentence, you read and listen carefully and look on the board. So first, a keg of chickens cock. Second one, a division of a country region. Third one, a group of some tree grow. Then fourth one, a large hairy bee, bumblebee. Then a period of 10-year decade. Then area of low flat wetland, fen. Then a remedy for all disease, panacea. Then a things that cannot be seen with human eyes, invisible. Then height above the sea level, altitude. Then long walk in the country, hike. Then one who eats too much, greedy. Then fail number, one who buy and sell goods, merchant. Then one who eats vegetables only, vegetarian. Then one who liked by everybody, popular. Then one who spokes for other, spokesman. Then the place where one lives, abode. Then the dry outer covering, husk, that is covering husk. Then holy or respected place, stillness. Okay, so holy or respected place, it's calling a stillness. So it is a one word substitutions. So these are the words, and this whole sentence we substitutes in a one word like that. So it is a meaningful all this sentence. Okay, so first a cock of the chicken. So cock of the chicken is cock. जिथं chickens राहतात त्या जागेला काय म्हणतात, cock, like that. Okay, so these are the full sentence, and this sentence we replace in a one word, this one word, cock, like that. Then a division of the country, region. Okay, so you can say region. एक आपल्या देशामधला एक भाग, तर आपण त्याला म्हणतो region म्हणतो. Then a group of the some tree. It is a group of some tree. It's calling a grove. It's calling grove. Then a large hairy bee. देखा ज्या मोठ्याशा केशा असलेल्या आपण मधमाशीला काय म्हणू शकतो, बंबल बी. ओके, देन अ पिरियड ऑफ द 10 years, 10 वर्षाचा कालावधीला आपण काय म्हणतो, डिकेड. ओके, देन एरिया ऑफ द लो फ्लॅट वेटलँड, जे एरिया थोडस खाली असतो आणि ओला असतो, वी कॅन से फेन. वी कॅन से फेन. देन रेमेडी फॉर ऑल डिजीज, पॅनासिया. प्रत्येक रोगावर उपचार घेणारा या उपचार असलेले औषध, यू कॅन से पॅनासिया. ओके, दिस वर्ड्स. अ थिंग्स दॅट कॅनॉट बी सीन विथ युअर ह्युमन आईज, जे आपल्या उघड्या डोळ्याने आपण बघू शकत नाही, वी कॅन से इनविजिबल. ओके, देन हाईट अबोव द सी लेवल, समुद्र सपाटीच्या वरच्या बाजूला आपण वी कॅन से अल्टिट्यूड. अल्टिट्यूड. देन लॉंग वॉक इन अ कंट्री, इट्स कॉलिंग अ हाईक. If you walk in a country, we can say hike. Then one who eats too much, जास्त खाणारी लोक, we can say greedy. Then one who buy and sell goods, जे खरेदी करतात आणि विकतात त्यांना काय म्हणतो आपण, मर्चंट. ओके, then one who eats vegetable only, जे फक्त व्हेजिटेबल पालेभाज्या खातात, we can say vegetarian. Then one who liked by everybody, इट्स कॉलिंग अ पॉप्युलर, सर्व लोकांना आवडणारा त्याला म्हणतात पॉप्युलर. देन वन हू स्पोक फॉर अदर, स्पोक्समॅन, जे शिकवण देतात, बोलतात आपल्याला चांगल्या गोष्टी, यू कॅन से स्पोक्समॅन. देन द प्लेस वेअर वन लिव्स, जिथं आपण राहतो, वी कॅन से अबोर्ड. अबोर्ड मीन्स हाऊस. देन द ड्राय आउटर कव्हरिंग, इट्स कॉलिंग अ हस्क, जे बाहेरचा भाग असतो आणि थोडासा ड्राय असतो, कोरडा असतो, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, हस्क. देन होली अँड रिस्पेक्टेड प्लेस, इट्स कॉलिंग अ श्रीनेस, जे थोडस होली असतं, धार्मिक असतं, त्या जागेला आपण म्हणतो श्रीनेस. दीज आर द वन वर्ड सबस्टिट्यूशन. यू नो ऑल द सेंटेन्स अँड इन सेंटेन्स यू रिप्लेस दिस वर्ड. ओके, सो इट इज व्हेरी इंपॉर्टंट पार्ट फॉर युअर स्कॉलरशिप एक्झाम. इफ यू लर्न ऑल these things, you can solve easily all the question based on one word substitution. So everyone learn all these things and you easily solve all the question based on your scholarship exam. Here are some questions on one word substitutions. In your scholarship exam, the question is coming like that on one word substitutions. And in your exam, the question is coming like that, and every question have 4 options. One option is correct. Okay, so on the board I given some question answer, and every time I told you when you solve any questions you read at least 2 times. So If you read 2 times, first time you read all the questions, you recognize the proper meaning of the question, and second time you try to solve easily all the question. Okay. So first I will read all the questions based on one word substitutions. You listen carefully and look on the board. Okay. So first, choose one word for the underlined word, a person who sells medicine. Second number, a part of the country. Third one, a person expert in logic. Fourth one, a period of 10 years. Fifth one, select the word for the state staying together without fight. Sixth one, choose one word for the following, one who eats vegetables only. Seventh one, the place where one lives. And last one, which animal have an antennas. Okay, so these are the question on one word substitutions. Okay, so one we read all the questions, second time we try to solve it. आता आपण हे सोडवायचा प्रयत्न करूया. So first, choose one word for the underlined word. So like that, the topic name is one word substitution. So the question is, choose one word for the underlined word. So these are all are the words, a sentence. You choose this sentence for a one word. So sentence is, a person who sells medicine. जे औषध विकतात त्या व्यक्तीला काय म्हणतो आपण? ऑप्शन नंबर 1 डॉक्टर, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 मेडिकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 केमिस्ट, and last one is shopkeeper. So who sell medicines? Doctor? No. Medical representative? No. Then chemist? Yes. So chemist, a person who sell medicine. Okay. Second one, a part of the country. A part of the country. आपल्या देशामधल्या एका पार्टला काय म्हणू शकतो आपण? 1 नंबर एरिया, सेकंड नंबर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, थर्ड नंबर region, and last one is state. So which is the one word for this whole sentence? Area, जागा, no. District, जिल्हा, no. Region, it's called a भूभाग. So it is a correct here. So a part of the country is region. A part of the country is region. So region means a part of the country. Now third number, a person expert in logic. A person who expert in logic. Logic म्हणजे आपण त्याला म्हणू शकतो एखादं लॉजिक लावणे किंवा आपण एक अंदाज बांधणे. त्या व्यक्तीला काय म्हणू शकतो? जे अंदाज बांधू शकतो. 1 नंबर केमिस्ट, सेकंड नंबर टीचर, थर्ड नंबर पॉलिटिशियन, and last one is लॉजिशियन. सो कोण अंदाज लावू शकतो? केमिस्ट? नो. टीचर? नो. पॉलिटिशियन? नो. सो देयर इज अ लॉजिशियन. सो लॉजिशियन who expert in logic. Okay. Now fourth number, a period of 10 years. 10 वर्षाच्या कालावधीला काय म्हणतात? 1 नंबर सेंचुरी, second number decade, third number 50, and last one is lakhs. So which is the correct? Period of the 10 years, century, century मध्ये शतक. It is not here. Decade म्हणजे 10 वर्ष. So it is decade. 50 means 50 आणि lakh म्हणजे लाख. So period of 10 years, it's called a decade. It's called decade. Now fifth number, select the word for the state staying together without fight. Okay. Select the word for the state staying together without fight. खाली दिलेल्या शब्दापैकी असा शब्द शोधा की तो the state staying together म्हणजे राज्य एकत्र राहतात भांडण न करता. त्या शब्दाला तुम्ही एक शब्द इथं रिप्लेस करायचा. ओके. सो these are the state staying together without a fight. It is a sentence and replace this sentence for one word in a option. 1 number group, second number peace, third number unity, and last one is gathering. So जे स्टेट भांडण न करता एकत्र राहतात त्या शब्दासाठी त्या सेंटेन्स साठी आपल्याला शब्द शोधायचा आहे. ग्रुप म्हणजे एकत्र. इट्स नॉट हियर. पीस म्हणजे शांतता. इट्स ऑल्सो नॉट. युनिटी. युनिटी मीन्स एक संघपणा. युनिटी मीन्स एक संघ. सो the state staying together without fights. It is a sentence. We replace this sentence with this word. So it is a right here unity. Unity means एक संगपणा. म्हणजे भांडण तंटा न करता एकत्र राहणे. It's called unity. Next one, 6 number. Choose one word for the following words. One who eats vegetables only. आता खाली दिलेला आहे का सेंटेन्स साठी आपल्याला शब्द शोधायचा आहे. सेंटेन्स आहे वन हु इट्स व्हेजिटेबल्स ओनली. जे फक्त व्हेजिटेबल्स म्हणजे पालेभाज्याच खातात त्यांना काय म्हणू शकतो आपण. 1 नंबर नॉन व्हेजिटेरियन, सेकंड नंबर व्हेजिटेरियन, थर्ड नंबर व्हेजिटेरियन, लास्ट वन इज व्हेजिटेबल्स. सो विच इज करेक्ट? दोज हु इट्स ओनली व्हेजिटेबल्स. सो नॉन व्हेजिटेरियन्स नो, इट्स कॉलिंग दोज हु इट्स मीट्स. म्हणजे जे मांसाहार करतात त्यांना नॉन व्हेजिटेरियन म्हणतात. व्हेजिटेरियन म्हणजे शाकाहारी. देन व्हेजिटर इट्स अ जंबल्ड लेटर्स हियर आणि व्हेजिटेबल म्हणजे पालेभाज्या. सो व्हेजिटेरियन मीन्स जो फक्त पालेभाज्या खातो त्याला आपण म्हणतो व्हेजिटेरियन. सो वन हु इट्स व्हेजिटेबल्स ओनली इट्स कॉल्ड अ व्हेजिटेरियन. ओके. नाउ 7th नंबर द प्लेस वेअर वन लिव्स. द प्लेस वेअर वन लिव्स. जिथं राहण्यासाठी जागा जिथं आपण राहतो त्या जागेला काय म्हणतात? प्रॉपर. 1 नंबर गार्डन, सेकंड नंबर हॉटेल, थर्ड नंबर अबोर्ड and last one is ground. So the place where one lives. Okay. Garden मध्ये आपण राहत नाही. Hotel in some time we stay but not permanently there. Abode means house. So house मध्ये आपण किती कालावधीसाठी राहू शकतो. And ground it's also not here. Okay. So last number, which animal have an antennas? कुठल्या अॅनिमलच्या डोक्यावर अँटेना सारखं असतं? 1 number owl, second number bat, third number sparrow, last one is snake. So owl is not here. It's not have a antennas on their head. Bat also not. Sparrow also not. Snail. So snail have an antennas in her head. Okay. So like that answer is correct. So snail, the animal have an antennas. Okay. So these are the questions coming on one word substitutions. If you learn all the one word substitutions, they are proper spelling, proper meaning, you solve all the question based on this topic very easily. Thank you very much.